moment we all been waiting for has finally happened. MrBeast has responded to recent allegations, but not the ones you might have expected. Nope, he skipped right over the hiring controversy, the fake video accusations, and the legal lotteries. He's actually addressed a new brand backlash, and this time it's all about a new product, Lunchables 2.0. Now this is a collaboration with Logan Paul and KSI, but that's not all. On the same day, news broke that MrBeast is facing a lawsuit with Amazon over the MrBeast Games show. And this one is really serious. I mean, this lawsuit is pushing for class action status. The three scariest words any corporation can hear. Trust me, this could be catastrophic for MrBeast. But let's break it all down. First up, Lunchables. So just a few days ago, three of the biggest influencers on the planet, MrBeast, KSI, Logan Paul, launched this meal kit for kids. The idea? To compete with Lunchables, but with a healthier spin. And this is where things get a bit tricky. It's just tricky. You see, critics are divided. Some absolutely love it, others, not so much. YouTubers like DanTDM have straight up slammed the product, calling them out for trying to sell junk food to kids. Dan even said, "This is the crap to kids who trust the people pushing it. Do better." I mean, ouch. I mean, that must have really hit a nerve here, because all three have responded. Logan defended the right to build businesses, saying Lunchables has faced way worse, like allegations to lead contamination. KSI? Well, he went deep, man. Actually called Dan a hypocrite, promoting a similar product 9 years ago. He actually went way back to find that. Even MrBeast, who's been really quiet on most criticisms lately, decided to step in with a lengthy response. MrBeast basically said, sure, fresh food is healthier, but we're offering a higher quality pre-made meal at about the same price as Lunchables. That's a win in my book. Despite that, here is the real issue. Creators like MrBeast and Logan Paul aren't faceless corporations. They've built trust with their audiences, and people are holding them to a higher standard. When you're a creator-driven brand, people expect more from you. This is why Prime was one of the fastest selling drinks ever. And yes, let's include Feastables, which have always been flying off the shelves. And this is not because they're the best products in the world. It's because people actually trust these influencers. And this is why they're facing so much backlash. You can't expect to leverage your influence to profit, but then hold yourself accountable when your product gets heavily criticized. Right, so while they're battling public opinion over their new venture, MrBeast is potentially fighting something way worse. Lawsuit over his Amazon TV show, Beast Games. Now, apparently 5 contestants from the show have actually sued, adulating mistreatment, sexual harassment, lack of medical care, food, water, and even basic hygiene. The lawsuit claims, get this, 2 people allegedly had seizures due to the lack of care. Yeah, that's bad. And if this lawsuit gains class action status, it won't just be these 5 contestants, it'll actually be 2,000, potentially. So we're talking about massive settlements here, possibly in the billions. And this could cause some serious damage to MrBeast's reputation. Now, MrBeast has survived some massive controversies before, but this one is different. This is illegal, and it's got the potential to change his business for good. So, what do you think? Can he come back from this? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure you like and hit subscribe if you've not done so already. And I'll see you on the next one.